Hello, my name is Dan Barrera, Product Manager for Bosch Rexroth. I'm here at PACK EXPO 2022, and I'm going to take a bit of your time to talk to you about our Smart Cube demo here at the show, okay? This demo itself has 4 different sides. The first one is talking about Control X automation, actually, or portfolio. What do we show in here? We show the different, solutions that we offer in Control X automation. IoT, PLC, motion, safety, HMIs, IPCs, IOs, drives, and the core, which is our motion, PLC, and edge device. Down here we have our 3-axis demo. We have Control X drives. We have the core, which is doing all the PLC, the motion, but it's also gathering all the data. We have our single cable motors, and we have our Control X safety products. Side 2 of the Smart Cube is all about the Control X World partners and our ecosystem. When we talk about ecosystem, we're talking about all the different technologies that we offer you to fulfill your automation and packaging needs. These are technologies that come from Bosch, but also from our partners. What kind of technologies? Motion, IoT, HMI, communication, simulation. These are different technologies that we offer to help you out, minimize the amount of engineering that you have to do in your system. Again, these are applications that not only come from Bosch, but from our different partners, and they are helping us out build the ecosystem for you. Side 3 of the Smart Cube is actually showing you one of our applications. This one is actually called Device Bridge. So yes, you will go to the Bosch store and download Device Bridge. Device Bridge allows you to connect to several components in your production shop floor, regardless of the brand. So let's see. If I go to Devices, I can actually hit the plus button, and I will get a list of different components that I can actually connect from the shop floor. Different brands. That's what we're doing for you. That's actually what Device Bridge is allowing you to do. Take all these different brands, all these different systems, and connect them together. Once you do that, you're able then, at that point in time, capture the data. For example, if I go to Control X Core, which is one of our PLC motion controllers, I can click in there, and I can actually see what kind of data we're actually streaming. So let's see. Here we're actually looking at the state of the control, the position, and the CPU utilization. So this is one powerful application that you'll find in our Control X World or in our Control X store. Side 4 of the Smart Cube is actually showing you another application that we offer in our app store. In this one we see Node-RED. Node-RED is an application that allows you to create the connection between different devices. Here we're actually showing how one of our demos here at PACK EXPO is a conveyor that also has a robot and a MR to it for doing loading and unloading applications. Here we're actually connecting all 3 of them. Why do we do that? Because we actually need to collect the data. Now that we actually use Node-RED for collecting or for connecting the devices together, we can actually now generate a dashboard that actually shows you what the system is doing. We see how the robot itself is moving, how the AMR is taking the product or bringing product back in. We can also see the conveyor speed, making sure that the conveyor is actually running and bringing product in or out, okay? And that is not the only application. Like I said before, Control X Store has multiple applications that you can use. So here's another one where you can actually create dashboards. So depending on your needs, depending on your preferences, we offer multiple options.